CILcare is the story of three ambitious women, scientists, who walked away from the comforts and compensation of big pharma to start a company in an area with unmet medical needs and huge market potential. CILcare is located in France and in Lexington, Massachusetts, where we are partnering with CBSET, which shows them because the same way we're recognized as experts in everything that deals with your ears, CBSET is expert in translational research and are linked to MIT. Together, we evaluate the preclinical efficacy and safety of drugs, biological compounds, gene therapy, cell therapy, and medical devices to treat hearing loss, tinnitus, and otitis. Why does working in the hearing field require such special expertise? Because the cochlea, which receives sounds, is extremely difficult to target, and the signal sent by its hair cells must be understood by the brain. CILcare is the only CRO that has the expertise to understand this complexity and, therefore, work on identifying, developing, and delivering the therapies that will protect or restore the hair cells and the neurons which make the system function. Today, there is no fully effective treatment for hearing loss. But what about implant technology? The reality is that cochlear implant users cannot distinguish one voice from another, cannot discern melodies, and if a fire alarm goes off at night, will not hear it because they disconnect it to sleep. Hearing loss is the most common form of sensory impairment in humans. Today, it affects more than 5% of worldwide population and it severely impacts military personnel. And that number is increasing. This had led to the organization of several cooperative initiatives to carry on the cause of hearing research. This approach is also reflected in the activity of patients, institutions, academics, and industry who are all working together to fight against hearing loss. An excellent example of these cooperative efforts is the consortium built by CILcare, Draper, and CBSET to help the development of intracochlear drug delivery devices move one step forward. This type of device, whose development no single company can finance alone, represents the bridge between a drug candidate and clinical treatment for some patients with hearing loss.